Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make this amazing origami sword. I created this model myself, using simpler models I found online as a base. This version is more realistic, and has this cool detail where the blade and handle has different colors. To make this model you'll need a square piece of paper, which can be any size you want. In this video I'll use 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. Starting with the blade color facing up, our first step is to fold it in half along both diagonals, making an X. To do this, bring one corner to the other, like this. Reinforce. And unfold. With this diagonal done, let's fold the opposite one. And we have our X. Now let's rotate the paper in this position. Starting from the right side, let's bring the top diagonal edge to the middle. Make a crease. And unfold. Now we have this new diagonal crease. Let's repeat the same logic on the bottom side. So just like before, bring the edge to the middle. And reinforce. With these two diagonals marked on the right side, we need to repeat the same step on the left side. Now, using these marks we made, let's close the corner. Like this. Leave this little tab, this new flap, pointing up first, just to reinforce. Then fold it down. And reinforce again. Repeat this step on the other side. OK. Now starting again on the right side. Let's fold the corner to the middle. Then do the same on the left side. Unfold both. Now fold the corners in half by bringing them to the lines we made. Unfold. Now that we have these marks, fold the right corner to the line on the left, creating this new line. So let's bring the corner over, aligning everything very well, and reinforce the crease. Unfold this. Once done, let's repeat the same step on the other side, bringing the corner to the first line we made on the right. And now the paper has been divided into 8 vertically. For the next step, turn the paper over, open one of the sides, and then reinforce these 3 lines here. Now push the middle of the paper inside, causing the corner to reverse. Lower this flap behind, and repeat the same on the left. We can go back to the other side and reinforce everything well. Now in the middle part we have these 2 small flaps. Starting with the right one, fold the edge to the middle, creating this new diagonal. Then fold it to the left, making the opposite diagonal. And using these new creases, close this flap like this. And bring it to the side. Same thing with the other. First make 2 small diagonals. Then close this flap. And bring it to the side. Okay. Now at the bottom, let's fold the corner in half. By bringing the tip more or less to this height here. Fold it in half again. And unfold. Fold only the tip of the corner at the mark we made, and then fold one layer on top of the other, keeping it folded as before. Okay, we can go back to the other side. Now fold the paper along these two existing lines, making the middle part half the width. And now we kinda already have a sword. We just need to add the details. For that, let's go to the other side. First, open the first layer of the left side. Leave it open as much as you can. Then do the same on the right. With this part open, we'll have to reverse the top corner. Now that we have the corner reversed, let's close the extra paper on the two sides, folding along the existing line. Try to make them both as symmetrical as you can. And this is the result. Now the blade has a different color. Going back to the other side, let's make the handle. First, fold the paper up about this height here. Then fold it back, leaving a small gap on the top. Now we need to bring the two sides to the middle, making the handle half the width. Let's fold the bottom and middle part first. Then open the top corner like this and flatten the paper, turning it into a small triangle. Do the same on the other side. For the next detail of the handle, let's do something a little different. First we need to separate these layers here, leaving this part open. Then fold, connecting the corner to the main part of the handle. So close the corner first. Then bring the extra paper over the fold we made before. The same on the other side. Turn the paper over, fold in half just to reinforce the middle line. And as an optional step, we can reverse a bit of these corners on the side, adding a little more detail. Our origami sword is ready! It's not simple, but it's also not that difficult to make, and it has this amazing result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.